Hello guys, welcome to my mentorship program. This is Apostle of Mercy. So I'm talking how to be a seer. We're in part 3. Today I'm talking about prophet and seer. If you are talking about prophet and seer, there are two types of prophets. We have Nabi, we have Ra. Nabi are the one that they hear the voice of God, while seer are the one that they see through their sight. And prophet and seer refer to the same calling. Yet the way they receive their revelation from the Lord function differently. They have the same calling, but where they receive their message from the Lord what function differently. Seer, God communicate to seer through vision, open vision, dream, as well as many other ways. Yes, God communicate through visions, open vision, dreams, as well as many other ways. And who are the seer in the Bible? There are 9 people identified as seer in the Bible. Yes. In the Old Testament, number 1, Samuel. You can find in the book of 1 Chronicles 29, verse 29. Is a government advisor. Gad, number 2. Sadok, 2 Samuel 15, verse 27. Is a chief priest. We have Anani, 2 Chronicles 16, 17, grandson of Samuel. We also have Ido, is a priest, 2 Chronicles 29, verse 29. We have Amos, 7, verse 12, is a marketplace minister, a sycamore fig picker. We have Asaph, 2 Chronicles 29, verse 30, is a worship leader, and also author of Psalm 50, 78 to 83. We also have Jetudo, 2 Chronicles 35, verse 15, is a worship leader. We also have Ammon, 1 Chronicles 25, verse 5, is a worship leader, author of Psalm 88. So we also have the unseen realm. The unseen realm is another realm, like the physical realm. Yeah, the unseen is another realm like physical realm. When people refer to the first heaven, they mean what the Bible called the seen realm. Yes. The second heaven is spoken of is what the Bible called the unseen realm. We have 2 types of heaven: first heaven, second heaven, and third heaven. Why Paul say that in 2 Chronicles 12, verse 2 to 4 say, I was called to the third heaven, which I see what cannot be uttered for me to say. So he was talking about the third heaven, the unseen realm. We also have those that also represent that also experiences Elisha and his servant. Daniel was in the spirit. So guys, please like my page for more of it and share it. God bless you.